What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the evil monkey, and today I'm making a really short, quick video. Wasn't planning on making any videos, but I really wanted to share this exciting news with you guys. So Thursday morning, I got up and got to work as usual, checked my Gmail, and lo and behold, I have an email from Joe Scully. So if you don't know who Joe Scully is, Joe Scully is the Executive Vice President of the MultiGP Drone Racing League. Not Drone Racing League, but the MultiGP Drone Racing League. So looks like I got an invite to the MultiGP National Finals in Daytona Beach, Florida. Awesome. Now, I qualified for the sportsman's class, not the pro class, which is what I kind of figured. So they're going to be doing a bracket style race, which is kind of cool. And so, you know, even if I come in dead last, I really don't care. It's just going to be an awesome, fun experience for me to be able to meet some of those really cool guys, and some of the big pros that are going to be racing. So it's going to be an awesome opportunity for me to go. I've never been to Florida before, so that's going to be first as well. But really looking forward to going to this race. So yeah, that's all I have for this week. So I will probably actually be doing some videos and sharing with you kind of like my road to the MultiGP Nationals, and also when I get there, might do some vlogging and stuff like that for you guys, so you can kind of hang out with me and see what's going on during the whole time. But I'm really looking forward to it. So also I got an anonymous donation from one of my viewers, so they were able to help me with the trip. So thank you very much. They know who they are, so I'm just very, 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 very thankful that they were able to help out, so that way I can get to Daytona Beach and just enjoy this experience. It's going to be awesome. I didn't think I qualified, honestly, and I got the email, so I booked my ticket as a pilot, and I'm going to be getting my airline tickets probably this next week here, and we're already booking our hotels, our car rental, and everything, so we're all set to go to Daytona Beach. I believe it's going to be November 6th through the 8th. Which is going to be awesome because my birthday is November the 5th, so that's going to be an awesome birthday present. So yeah, so can't wait, super excited, just wanted to share that with you guys. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and thanks for watching my videos as always. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for the next one, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later.